Did you know a fake execution permanently changed how one man saw time? In 1849, Fyodor Dostoevsky was led to a public square in St. Petersburg to be shot. He watched the two men before him get blindfolded and tied to posts. He counted his final seconds. Then a rider arrived with a pardon. The entire thing had been staged by the Tsar as psychological punishment. Dostoevsky walked away a different person. He wrote that in those final moments, each second felt like a gift so enormous he couldn't contain it. The weight of ordinary time had never hit him like that before. And here is what matters. He didn't forget that feeling when life got comfortable again. He carried it into everything he wrote, everything he built, every day he was given. Most people need a crisis to feel alive to their own life. Dostoevsky chose to live like the rider might not come next time. You don't need a near-death experience to borrow that lesson. You just need to treat today like it already counts, because it does.